Hello! Welcome back to my channel. It is still Vlogmas. I am still your host for Christmas. We're doing more holiday sets today, so yay! So I've got 3 sets that I managed to pick up before everything was fucking sold out at Shoppers Drug Mart. I have got almost everything to do a full face. There's some like face-based stuff that I don't have. So I'll show you the sets and then we will start testing things out here. I'm so excited, oh my god. So the first little set I've got is from Annabelle and they had a bunch of different ones. This is a mascara and liner set. So I went through all the different kinds and I landed on the Edge mascara. I feel like this one is a little more geared towards my eyelashes because I want volume. So the Edge mascara is for volume and then it's got a little black eyeliner in there. Next little set I got is from Burt's Bees. It is a lip kit, believe it or not. Here's the thing, I am aware that Burt's Bees makeup is not the best makeup in the world. I've tried some of it myself. I've seen countless reviews on it when the line came out. But one thing that has been consistently good with Burt's Bees is their chapsticks, their lip glosses, that kind of thing. Because those have been a staple item in the Burt's Bees collection for as long as Burt's Bees has existed, let's face it. I got this little lip kit and it is pretty darn exciting. It's made so you can layer them. Where does it say what's in here? So there's a lip balm, a lipstick, and a lip shimmer. You open it up and it's got a little guide on how to layer them. And the last kit I got is the nice big one. This I got for $20 and it is an $80 value. Some of you may or may not have seen this one already in a few other videos, but it is the Physicians Formula Essential Minis and it comes with a bonus makeup bag. Isn't that fantastic? So it includes the Rose All Day Oil-Free Serum, the Spotlight Illuminating Primer, which I'm really excited about, Mineral Glow Pearls in Champagne, a Healthy Lip Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and the Killer Curves Mascara. So I won't be trying the mascara out today. I do want to try the Annabelle one. I will do a little swatch of the liquid lipstick, but I'm gonna focus for the lips on the Burt's Bees collection. Okay, and this is the makeup bag it comes with. This is super fancy. It feels really cushy and it's nice and big and it's got a really cute little Physicians Formula thingy on the front. I like this. I'll actually use this. Nice little gift. Okay, so before we jump into this, let's go into the things that I won't be trying out today so I can just show you what all is in here. So with the Physicians Formula kit, we get a mini of the Killer Curves mascara. It's super tiny. Ooh, and it's got a wand that looks just like the Stila Stay All... No, what are you talking about, Annette? It's like my favorite fucking thing ever. The wand looks almost just like the Stila Huge Ass Mascara. You know what? Maybe I'm gonna do this on one eye and this on the other eye. Yes! And then the one thing I won't be trying out, I'm not going for a red lip today, is the Physicians Formula The Healthy Lip. I love that everything from Physicians Formula it actually smells kind of nice. It's got that doe foot applicator with the hole in the middle, which I am not really a big fan of, but ooh, that's nice. This feels kind of like a velvet formula, but it's a really nice red. Wow. 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 The first thing I'm going to put on here is the Physicians Formula Rose All Day Serum. I've been wanting to try this for a really long time, but did not want to commit to the prices. Oh, it smells very floral. And just do some little bloopies on my face here. I smell like a garden. It doesn't even really smell like a rose. It smells like just like plants. But it feels nice though. It is oil-free. I can definitely tell that. I like this. And then I'm gonna throw on the Spotlight Illuminating Primer. This is a really good size for a mini, and it has a pump. It's just...
"2,000 years later."
Oh. Ah! There we go. So that's really shimmery. Am I putting too much of this on? Ooh, well, this is absorbing into the skin very nicely. It's a little tacky, and I'd say that is pretty illuminating. I'm gonna throw on some concealer and base, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got almost all of my face on now, except for the things we're gonna try out. So let's dive into more for this formula. The highlighter. Oh, and it's got a little highlighting brush. Very icky feeling. We'll try it. So this is in the shade Champagne. Let's just see here. Oh, it's also very sparkly. Sparkly face. That's nice. It's sparkly, but it's subtle. I'm gonna go back with a little lash fan brush and do some touch-ups. There we go. That's a little better. If you guys don't have a lash fan brush, invest in one because it is super amazing for precision highlighting. Okay, I'm nice and sparkly. This is neat. Do a quick spritz. Oh, now to finish up the Physicians formula, I'm gonna go into the Killer Curves mascara. Let's see how this compares to the huge ass mascara. Oh wow, that did nice things. And I'm not a big mascara person. Like, I have 2 mascaras that I consistently like and love. Everything else I try is just like, eh. On the other eye, I'm gonna throw on the Edge mascara. This one has like one of those wands that makes me panicky. It's a little scary. With the shape of this, it is very difficult to get the outer lashes. I feel like this one definitely curled more. You know what, other than the curl, they're not that much different. I think these are both pretty good mascaras. So this is 2 coats of each, and I think I like both of them. I'm kind of, for once, actually excited to try out some new mascaras. So let's go into the Annabelle Precision Eyeliner. It's a little bit of a gray black. It is transferring onto my lower waterline, but it went on okay. It's a black eyeliner. I am almost date ready. For the lips, let's break into this Burt's Bees stuff. So, it suggests starting with the lip balm, the tinted lip balm, and then the lipstick in the shade Suede Splash, and then this is like a lip glitter, lip shimmer in Peony. I'm gonna swatch all 3 of these individually on my hand. Smells nice. Okay, so we've got the tinted lip balm, the lipstick, which kind of reminds me of the e.l.f. lipsticks in consistency. Like, it's a little affordable feeling. And then on the end here we have the little shimmer stick, which does smell like mint for some reason. Tinted lip balm. Which feels amazing as a Burt's Bees lip balm would. The lipstick. But I actually don't mind it. Like, this is a really nice, like, neutral sort of tinty shade. It kind of reminds me of like those new nude Maybelline bullets. And some of the little shimmer stick on top. Ooh. This would look so nice on its own. I don't know how well this is showing up on the camera, if you can even see it at all, but it looks really pretty. It's a shimmery lip balm. I mean, Burt's Bees lip product, like, if you're going for full hard color here, don't go for a Burt's Bees bullet lip, because it is very much like the e.l.f. bullet lips, where I feel like even if the color is dense, it won't last very long. But this is so neutral that even if it fades away, it's not gonna matter. So it's that time of the video where I'm wrapping things up. I'm asking you questions, such as, what were your favorite holiday releases from the Drugstore this year? They had a lot. Like, Drugstore is stepping up its game, like, to a whole another level. I think I found a couple new favorites in these kits. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, if you are enjoying Vlogmas, if you are enjoying these kits, and little mini first impressions things. I've got a couple more before the month is over coming your way. Some stuff from Sephora, some more drugstore stuff, and a whole lot of tutorials coming up. So subscribe to the channel if you're looking forward to any of that, if any of that appeals to you. Then come join the fam over here. It is a good place to be. Do all that and we will see you in the next one.